Hey guys, Ryan here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about credit, how it works, how your credit score works, how to utilize your credit for potential opportunities, how to increase your credit score, and also how to get started with credit if you don't have any. Right off the bat, what is credit? Um, in short, if you have credit cards, you have loans, personal loans, home loans, auto loans, student loans, and so forth. All those creditors, the people that you're borrowing money from, report back to the bureaus, and the bureaus are the ones who come up with who show how creditworthy you are, and ultimately report back to the Fair Isaac company that creates your FICO score, and that's where your credit score is made. Okay, your score can basically be anywhere from a 300 to 850. That's all your credit score is access to capital. So some people like to baby their credit because that's what they were told when they were younger, that hey, I need to hold on to my credit. I need to make sure that I get it as high as possible. Well, the funny thing is when people do that, they don't end up using their credit, because all credit is access to capital. The higher your score is, the more access to capital you have for cheaper rates, which will end up saving you thousands of dollars over the years if you utilize your credit. If you don't do anything with it, it's meaningless. Okay, so a great way to, if you have a low credit score, a great way just to start increasing it is obviously pay your limits down. Call the number on the back of your card, ask them to increase your limits and decrease your interest rates. Because guys, everybody loves more access to more capital for less money. I do, anyways. So that's something that we typically like to do with our own cards every 3 to 6 months. So give that a try, and you'll watch your credit score start to grow, because once you get access to more capital, it shows the bureaus that you're being more responsible with more capital, which ultimately shows up in your credit score. Okay. If you're a newbie, maybe you're young, or maybe you just never got into the credit game and you don't know how it works. So obviously you have no credit. No credit is actually worse than bad credit. So let's get you started. A great way to do that is go to a local national branch like a Wellsfargo, Bank of America, or Chase. Go to one of those branches, start banking with them, and then apply for an unsecured line of credit card. Okay, you're gonna get a real low limit, maybe $200 or $300 with maybe 30% interest rate. It's crazy how expensive the money is, but it's all meaningless because you need to start somewhere to be able to get your credit score on the map. So once you get that card, baby that card, use it, pay it off for the 6 months, and ask them to increase the limits. Use that same strategy. Increase my limits. Okay, once you get your score up, then I would suggest you go apply for a few more lines. Typically, lenders like to see you have 3 open lines, so three credit cards is always a good place to start. But just remember, use your credit responsibly. Just don't go buy stilettos with it. Okay, so just access to more capital gives you greater chances of taking advantage of opportunities later in life if you need to. So if you like this video, like it, share it, leave a comment on the bottom down here. Also, my next video is going to be on how to repair your credit, and I'm going to give you some great resources on how to start managing your credit more effectively. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video.